Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. So, just a lot of medias started blowing whistle that Simon Ekpa will be extradited to Nigeria July 15th. Why a lot of people are saying it's not true, don't believe, but all these medias in Nigeria, I remember the first time when they said they will listen to Simon Ekpa case April, May. A lot of people say they don't know what they are saying. And when April, May comes in, hear the news now in details. Simon Ekpa faced justice. Finnish courts approve extradition to Nigeria. In a proposed development with far-reaching implications to regional security and international justice, Finnish authorities have approved the extradition of Simon Ekpa, the controversial Finnish-Nigeria separatist agitator, to Nigeria. The transfer is scheduled for July 15, 2025, following the ruling of the court in Latin on April 18, 2025. Simon Ekpa, who has long styled himself as the Prime Minister of the self-declared Biafra Republic government in exile, has been a central figure in violent separatist persisting reports in Nigeria media and other government statements. Simon Ekpa is not affiliated with the indigenous people of Biafra. The Nigeria government, which has sought its extradition since early 2023, you see, since early 2023, hailed the court decisions as a breakthrough. A senior officer from the Ministry of Defense called it a trumpet for justice and a steam warning to those who think they can destabilize Nigeria from foreign soil. Simon Ekpa was not without legal challenges. Finland traditionally does not extradite its citizens. Listen, Finland traditionally does not extradite its citizens. So what happened? They don't extradite their citizens outside the EU. My people. However, after Nigeria presented compelling evidence under the Roman by both nations, a real agreement was reached. Finland authorities emphasized that the ruling complied with international law and due process. Upon his arrival in Nigeria, Ekpa is expected to face multiple charges, including terrorism, conspiracy, incitement of violence, and crimes against the state. His case will likely be one of the most closest watched in recent Nigerian legal history, with domestic and international human rights groups expected to monitor the proceeding. Hey, you hear this? International human groups are expected to monitor the proceeding. Ekpa is expected to be in Nigeria July 15, 2025. In fact, I know that a lot of people will just be saying, oh, it's their normal talk. My people, I want to let you know that don't underestimate this Nigeria government. I am telling you the truth. Where I know that something is going to happen. You remember when the Finland ambassador visited President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? She said, Simon Ekpa is the one that stood as a blockade between Finland and Nigeria. She said because of this Simon Ekpa, they don't have good relationship with each other. That Simon Ekpa is the cause. What did they not say? They come to an agreement. Along the line, Simon Ekpa is aware that one day something like this will come because he knew the law in Finland that they don't extradite their citizen. Now, what happened? That now that is Simon Ekpa's case, they are not telling you that they never accept that their tradition that they don't extradite their citizen from the EU. Can you imagine that? So I know that a lot of people will be here telling me, oh, it's not true, it's not true. Come on. What need to be done. They've told you that July 15, Simon Ekpa will be in Nigeria. These are the same people that said something about the case transfer. When a lot of people were saying that, no, Simon Ekpa cannot stay in that place up to 6 months. What did we see? Simon Ekpa stayed in that place up to that. When these people blew the alarm, when the federal government of Nigeria said Simon Ekpa case will be coming up in 6 months' time, I made the video. A lot of people were telling me, oh, you don't know what you are saying, keep quiet. Wait 6 months. This is exactly 6 months. And you are not told that the case of Simon Ekpa comes up April 18, 2025. That means exactly 6 months, the file was open. And they come to agreement that Simon Ekpa should be extradited. See, let me tell you something. I know a lot of people will say it's not true, it's not true. You're not see on our life. The time you're supposed to be do something good, hey, I am exposing, oh my goodness. You people should just be lucky that, just pray that this thing is not true. The time you people supposed to do something better, the time you people supposed to raise up your head in one accord, no, I'm exposing this. When after exposing all the people working together with Simon Ekpa, what did you think? After exposing all the people working with Simon Ekpa, what did you think? I said something, I said, all these things people are putting out there. Don't think that it's only all this small media because when I say we'll be blogger. Okay, I agree. Don't think that it's only all these bloggers that are carrying it. This is something that you said out there. Anything that is in social media not they forget. The thing will move higher. Nothing they not talk. No exposition they not. Immediately they return from Finland. Everything changed. We never knew that Simon Ekpa is even crying silently. I am telling you. It is so painful that Simon Ekpa came up to fight. Oh God, this guy was living well. He was taking good care of himself and family. Likewise, Mazin Abdikan. But they said, no, I want to fight for my people. The same people they were fighting for betrayed them. Two people returned from Finland. What happened? For how many months? From November, you people returned from that Finland to now. We never get rest of mind. No cooperation anywhere. No rest of mind. Exposition here today, exposition tomorrow. This one, you people use how many months to fight yourselves? And at the end of the day, you see, I talk at that time, I say, if you people do not stop this thing you are doing, they will take advantage of this situation. And what happened today? I will not say anything, no. You people should just pray that this thing should not be truth. I tell you, you all should pray that this thing is not true, or else, or else, not be the way they drink water, not be so that they drink pepper. See on our life, lies everywhere, no truth anywhere. Money tonight, no good thing, una go bring out for the world to see about Biafra. Fights, quarrel, argument. This one, I'm exposing this. This is only criminal now. They see all the people who work with Simon Ekpa, all of them, I don't call the criminal. What do you people expect? You see, Nigerian government is not taking advantage of what people are saying on the media. Oh, I'm not waiting, I don't vomit from our mouth. We never knew that even Simon Ekpa working with all these people, Simon Ekpa was there crying in silence. Nobody know until all these things started coming out. Look at the video that was shared. Simon Ekpa looks so hopeless. Simon Ekpa need people to help him. But the people were surrounding him. Upweke. Some of them. And tomorrow, everybody will be claiming relationship with Simon Ekpa. Tomorrow, everybody will be claiming that they so much love Simon Ekpa. See, make una dey pray for Simon Ekpa. Make this thing not be true. Because if this thing, we don't even want to believe it, that is true. But You people should not take advantage. Oh, hey. You people should not lose guard. Make una not lose guard though, because a lot of people don dey advise una. Make una enter social media and see what is happening. Not how far, but how well. Oh, this one joined the struggle yesterday. Oh, this one is not Biafra. Only una na be Biafra people. When I see, when una go see person for face, and I go say, yes, now let me be Biafra person. The rest people, they are not Biafrans. The rest people don't know what they are doing. No, only una they fight for Biafra. When be say people not go hear word, fighting for Biafra with lies. Oshogidero, the question is, July 15th, 2025, will you wait till then before an action will be taken? Every day that they come and say, men of grand, 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 men of grand. Hey, what is the meaning of that? You are automatically exposing yourself that this is what you people are doing. You see life? All these things that they don't hold everything now against Simon Ekpa. Now they've told you that the Finland authority agreed for extraordinary rendition of Simon Ekpa. Now approved that it should be taken to Nigeria July 15th. If you count this when they pass Simon Ekpa November 20 to now, to April 18, the case was reopened and waiting happened. Waiting happened. They said Nigeria government now won the case and Simon Ekpa will be going to Nigeria. They say not only that, they will supervise the case. All those things are story. Let me tell you. Those things, they are stories that touch. Our prayer now is, may they not carry and go Nigeria. Our prayer now is, may they not carry and go Nigeria, because if you go Nigeria, me and you, we know what will happen. Without being told, you know what will happen. And for those people that are happy, that thank God that Simon Ekpa, that they can't go Nigeria, what is your fate? Every day they cry, unnecessary cry. Every day you complain about situation in Nigeria. And now you are happy. What will be your fate? Anyways, I will keep you people updated of the latest happening, everything that is going on, what's said and what not. But I want you not to underestimate the federal government of Nigeria, what they can do. What they can do. Two hands just change hand, and you know what that means. Do you know how many promises they made? Before they come to this agreement, know that 3 things do 9 things. And of a truth, we have to be watchful and really know if this thing is true. May we put our eyes for granted. Because when we were making the news, when the same Nigerian government said the court hearing will take place in 6 months, a lot of people, they say, no, na lie. But today, here we are. So, Bikonu, not take these people for granted. Anything you want to do, do it. But for all those people talking, keep on talking. You see where the talk is bearing fruit. Oh, the talk is bearing fruit. And at the end of the day, we know how far. All right, my beautiful family, I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep on updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.